So, good morning everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker. Well, it's morning now, it might be a different time when you're watching this, but that doesn't, I guess that's not massively important. Today, we're going out up to Burnham because they've got the Get a Picture guys there. So I haven't got a picture of me on this bike yet, whereas I did down the Burnham Bends on my 125, which is the thumbnail of the video where I talked about my 125. So hopefully I'm going to get a picture like that of this bike today. I bought the GoPro with me, put it on charge last night, and I've just turned it on and it's dead. So I'm going to put that back home now because I won't be using it. But hopefully there'll be other bikes down there as well. We can film that, and then yeah, just basically we can go get some breakfast. So no GoPro footage this video, unfortunately, but yeah, I hope the battery isn't ruined, but I shall see you all when we arrive at Burnham.
A few moments later.
There are indeed some bikes.
Hello there.
There'll probably be some more soon. Two more here. So I don't know if there's anything else that's turned up. Oh, there's GS. Yeah, that's the new one. I'm walking on the road, but you know what? That's fine. What's it? Just 650.